Their singing is so superb. Oh my god. I love the guitar playing though, it's amazing. Quite remarkable. Wow. Wow. Beautiful voice. Yes. 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 My first time and I'm enjoying this. So it's two of them now, right? So the first one that came by, she's Miss Green. And who is this guy? The combination is good, bro. Her voice is good. Remarkable voice, right? This is perfect. One thing I do respect about people is that when people are singing together, they always seem to put out their best interest at heart because this combination is really beautiful. The collaboration is really beautiful and it's my first time knowing of Miss Green and this guy, and trust me, bro, I'm enjoying this. Even though it's not in English, but it doesn't matter the music, whichever language it's been sung in, I'm just here for the music, the instrumental, how deep, how the music really goes. And what I'm experiencing now, it's something fabulous. Very outstanding by these two, bro. Trust me. Yo, their voice, bro, is fucking amazing. Yo, as a Jamaican, bro, I approve this. I approve this. This is really beautiful, right? Okay, you guys should have an idea of how beautiful, right, a bloom flower is when the rain stops and the sun comes out in the morning time and the flowers started blooming. This is how amazing their voices really are, bro. Wow. Amazing. Oh my god. Bookam. Bookam. Now, this is what I'm talking about, right? Every time I've done a reaction for the first time to someone who I have no idea about and they give me the chills, bro, I'll always become a fan. I'll always make myself available to listen to more of their music. Language or not, English or not, bro, I'm here to listen to the music. And the music here is freaking beautiful, bro. Wow. Wow. A solid 10 for me, bro. Superb. Oh my god. Bro, this is what I call an excellent performance, bro. Everything here, bro, is fucking amazing, dog. I am impressed with this performance. For my first time, it's like I'm there at the actual performance, bro. It's giving me the performance vibe, and I'm enjoying it, bro. Superbly done. Guys, look, I love this. And if you guys have any more suggestions that you guys would like me to check out after this reaction, please feel free to leave it down in the comments. I'll be my best on that reaction, and it's my utmost pleasure to react to our next song for them, guys, or for her, or for him. I'm not sure. But I'll see you guys there. Well done, guys. Superb job, Miss Green and her partner. I'll see you guys in the next suggested video. Peace.